All right, y'all. See this plate of baked beans? If you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. Okay, today I'm going to be making baked beans, oven baked beans, and these are so easy to make. So let's get started. I have 2 cans of sugar hickory baked beans. You can use any type of baked beans you like. You can even use the ranch style beans. I've made them that way, and they were really good with the ranch style too. But we're gonna use 2 cans of big cans of baked beans. It is 4th of July weekend, so if y'all celebrate the 4th, be safe out there. Okay, so have my baked beans. This is probably about 1/4 of apple cider vinegar. Just mix that in there real good. And I tell y'all, these beans are so good. And I've made them a few times. I haven't made them a lot. I don't know why. Maybe I got lazy or something. I don't know, but they are really good. Cinnamon. Add as little or as much as you like of cinnamon. Whoa. We're going to add that much. A handful. And I know y'all hear the children in the background, as always. And we're just gonna mix that cinnamon up in there really good. Yep. It is live in the Dew's house, as always, ain't it, baby? Okay. So, I'm also going to add some barbecue sauce. And just add that on in there. Turn it down a little bit. I have some potatoes boiling for some potato salad. I'm just gonna mix that barbecue sauce in there. What's the matter, man? Add a little bit more barbecue sauce. Okay. Another ingredient is mustard. So add some mustard to it. Maybe about 1/4 of mustard. And just mix that up in there really good too. Smells so good. Also want to add a couple of handfuls of brown sugar. You can just eyeball it, add as much. It depends on how sweet you want it, basically. My daughter calls these sweet beans. She's been calling these sweet beans since she was a little girl.
Yeah, what, 4, 3?
Yeah, I want sweet beans. That's what she used to say. So I think I put about 3-4 handfuls of brown sugar. Just give that a mix real good. Okay. So that is mixed really good. I can taste these beans already. Okay, so now what I want to do, yeah, he's fussy today. He hadn't even had a nap yet. So I'm going to add some bacon. I just want to lay some bacon in here, just on the top of it. Just cut it up as much, or you know, as little as you like. It doesn't matter. singing cleanup. Just lay that bacon on top of it. Like I said, these are really easy. If you want to make these during the week, doesn't have to be a special occasion or anything. Just some good old baked beans. And they call them baked beans for a reason. Sometimes people cook them on the stove, and I do that too. But they're called oven baked beans for a reason. Just lay that bacon on there. And you don't have to add bacon if you don't want to. He is in there just bossing, ain't he? Okay. I'm gonna add some more bacon on there. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm going to place these in there for about 45 minutes until that bacon is good and crispy and bubbly. The beans are bubbly. I'm gonna add all this bacon on here. Okay, so simple. You can make it prettier if you want to, but hey, do it how you want. All right, and these are going to go into the oven 45 minutes. Like I said, until the bacon is crispy and the beans are bubbly. All right, y'all. So the baked beans are done. Like I said, I put them in the oven for 350. They baked for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And they are ready to go. And they're going to be so good with this barbecue that we are going to eat here shortly. All right, y'all. Like I said, the baked beans are done. This is what they look like. See that bacon in there? And they are so good. And this is going with our meal. I just made some kebabs, barbecue chicken, potato salad, and we finna get down. You hear me? Yeah, we finna eat. Thank you again. Thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe. And until next time.